Okay, so good evening, no? So yung topic natin is about the introduction to Verilog, no? So ito ay, kumbaga, bago natin gawin yung activity, we need to discuss itong Verilog. So ano ba itong Verilog, no? So to begin with, in the first slide, so we need to understand muna yung HDL. Ito na-discuss ko na last time, no? Pero recap lang natin, pag sinabi natin hardware description language, meaning to say, this is used, no, for digital circuits. And basically, alam din naman natin na ginagamit ito for the timing of electronic circuits, no? And which can be commonly found sa mga digital logic circuits. So, ngayon, saan ba ito ginagamit? No? Halimbawa, ikaw, magde-design ka ng processor, motherboard. Pero before you perform it, no, or before you do it in an actual hardware, you need first to simulate. That's why it's very important, no, to use this in circuit design. No, we need to simulate the circuit and then verify its response. Kaya mamaya explain natin tinatawag na test bench para makita natin yung importance ito, no? Now, HDLs are available pero ginagamit yung Verilog at yung tinatawag na VHDL, no? So ano ba ang nakakatulad ng HDL? So, kung familiar kayo sa mga traditional programming language, they are specifically designed to describe the hardware, no? Unlike traditional programming languages that primarily represent serial operations, HDL distinguishes itself by representing extensive parallel operations. Okay, now, what is Verilog, by the way? Verilog is a hardware description language, no? Bakit siya, ano ba ang purpose, no? So, kailangan to kapag magmo-model, simulation, and design of digital system. So, I think pwede yung gamitin sa mga FPGA and ASIC. Now, ano ba yung mga different levels ng circuit? May tinatawag na gate level, register transfer level, and behavioral level. So, most likely, doon natin ginagamit yung Verilog, no? Now, to begin with the Verilog, why do we use Verilog? So, before hardware implementation, it's very important to check muna, no? Kung working ba yung electronic circuit o yung mga components na gagamitin. So, we need to simulate. So, para makapag-easier debugging tayo ng digital design and even faster prototyping. And of course get no yung ating industry standard, no. Now, what is the basic structure of the Verilog code? Okay. So makikita nyo dito yung tinatawag natin na module name, no. Depende kung ano. Halimbawa, ito AND gate. Nakikita nyo dito yung assignment, no. Y is equal to A AND B. Yan yung example logic, no. So yun yung isang structure ng Verilog. Meron tayong module, may inputs and the output, no, as well as look assignment kung anong logic gates. Now, kung titingnan natin mabuti, ito yung example ng AND gate module. Tapos, kapag nagawa na natin yun, saka tayo magte-test bench. Ano ba yung test bench? That is to verify your design. So, we need to stimulate inputs. Although test bench are not synthesized, this is only used for simulation. It will just be used to validate design before hardware implementation. But still, we are not yet synthesizing. So we're just checking, validating yung ating design, yung kanyang functionality, kung gumagana ba. Yun yung tinatawag na test bench, no? Now, this is sample code of a test bench. As you can notice, no, these are uh, ginagamit for AND gate, di ba? So, meron tayong algorithm na nandito, no? At as you can notice, sa AND gate, one and one yung talagang masasabi natin nag-work, na yung na maka na, na yung LED o yung isang ilaw ay gagana, no? The rest eh wala na, no? Kung makikita natin, no? Now, as well as ito yung maging output. So similar dun sa logic, alam naman natin dun sa logic, no? As we know, let me draw, no? Ito yung ating logic gate. So ito yung A and B. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-output na Y, no? Na magkakaroon ka lamang ng 1 kapag ito ay nag-1 both of the inputs. So, yun ay para sa AND. Naiiba pa pag OR, no? XOR, no? Ito na-discuss naman natin ng mga nakaraan. Okay, so now, as we also know, no, yung ating magiging example, no, ng logic gate, ito ay pang multiple logic gate. So, para pag multiple, so meron tayo mga inputs, output, meron pang XOR. Pag sinabi natin XOR, ganito yung itsura ng XOR. Eh. Okay, parang nakaganito, no? Na ibig sabihin, gagana lang siya kapag may either of the inputs are 1, no? Kumbaga sa ano, this is the output F, X, and Y. Kung magagawa ka ng table sa XOR, and ito yung ating F, meron kang 0, 0, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1. So dito lang gagana yan. The rest ay magiging 0. Now, to determine that, meron tinatawag na, ito yung AND to, no? Ito ay OR, no? Ito naman ay XOR. So, tandaan niyo yung mga ating ginagamit na mga logic gates, no? For, kasi ito, this is, can be, ano, no? To sa Verilog, sa logic gates, no? Na magagamit din natin. So, in summary, Verilog is a language to design and simulate digital circuit. Kasi nga, yung mga programming languages, hindi naman talagang nakatutok sa digital circuit. Pero yung Verilog, yun yung kanyang, doon siya dinesign. Now, ano ba yung mga modules? Yun yung nagre-represent ng mga digital blocks. And when we say test benches, this verify circuit functionality, but not synthesizing, just checking the functionality. So, ginagamit yan bago ka mag-prototyping, kinakailangan mag-simulate no? Para at least makaiwas tayo dun sa mga not necessarily na important components in a hardware electronic circuit. Okay, now, I will be using a code, no? So ito makikita natin. So that may ano, no? Una, explain ko lang, no? Itong part na ito yung logic gate hanggang dito sa end module, no? So i-ano ko muna, i-cut ko lang ito yan. Kasi mahaba pag sinulat ko yan. So kayo wala pa, no? Kasi hindi pa natin nakapag-verify. So now this is the logic gate, no? Na kung saan, yeah, multiple logic gates, no? Meron tayong A, B, and out, or not kasama, no? Tapos dineclare natin yung assignment. Now, iti-test bench natin. Okay, ngayon, kapag in-execute natin, so ayan na. So makikita mo dito yung different inputs. So now, I would want you no to do no. So kaya yung ibibigay ko example no is an example of an and or tapos kayo na bahala tapusin sa ibang logic gates. So I hope this is clear. You will be using online Verilog simulator. So thank you and God bless.